First, I will take this. Check. What will happen? What will happen? There are two options. Number one is that this will go over here or here, means run away. And second option is kill. So naturally, everybody will take the second option. Okay. Then the next is check. Now, what are the options? Option is one is this. Okay. And second is go back. Anywhere back. And third is come up. So these three options are there. Let us take one by one. If this option is taken, check. Goes over here or here. Cannot come over here because of this. If it comes over here, again there is a problem. Check. What will happen? This over here. Next, check. And you get queen. See here, everybody. You are getting the queen. Just this particular place, that is E6. This place you want to grab with your knight. That is the whole plan. All other options which I showed you, if black opt for those options early, then what will happen? You will get that place very easily. This was the position, right? First check. If he goes anywhere else, automatically you get this place and you get the queen and you win. If you take this, so if after taking this again, this is protected. So that is why you have to come up over here. Then this. Again, there is possibility that instead of taking this over here, you can come over here. Check. Now let this go anywhere. Anywhere it can go, but still you are getting this. Got it? Very clear? So ultimate goal is grabbing this particular square. Now, if there is one way, after taking this, even though you don't take this, or after take this, then check, you come over here, still this will come. No? This pawn is the guard for this particular place. This pawn, and what you have done is that you have destroyed that pawn. You have destroyed that defender. You got everybody? Here there is no concentration on the king. Concentration is that what you should have realized. See here, this position, you should realize that this is inside. Oh, this is, it cannot go anywhere. Only if my knight comes over here, I am getting this. And then accordingly, he is the defender. So destroy this first, destroy this, and then you get this. That is how the planning took place. There is a different way also. Again, this problem is, if this comes over here, then you can take this also. Again, this is trapped, but it takes little time to destroy this, because this has again another supports. And if this comes, then there is a place is created. Everybody understood this? So tomorrow again, we will be meeting with completing these problems. All we still have 6 to 7 problems to go. Minimum. or I can have such type of problems more also. These are all decoys, means diverting your opponent's attention. Different, you are playing something different and you get something different. So tomorrow also we will continue with this. In the meantime, I am going to send you one problem for you for the homework. If you could do it, please send me the answer. Very clear, everybody? Everybody clear? Yeah, I'm going to send it immediately. Okay, 1 or 2 problems I will send. There is no 2 move or 3 move as such. There is not tab on that. It can you can have 3 or 4 or 5 moves also, but ultimate goal is that you should land up in a winning position. After playing those moves, the position will be a winner. Winner position should be on the board. Very clear? Okay. Till then, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Yeah.